you don't know, your girl MELICASKYLIFE in the building. Yo! Oh, what the damn? Out here in the street in my Skylife hat. Guys, I feel like I have a vlog in such a long time. But coming out really going away. School, work. So that's why I'm trying to give you like different types of videos now. And now my face down, dog. Let me see. I don't know. That's why I'm now giving a lot of vlogs right now because I have to be going to school. My body not adjust yet. I'm mad tired right now, I tell you. I'm so tired. But yeah, if I up on the gym, I'm gonna get my hair done. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm bathing. So give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. If you're on here for the first time, just stop for a minute and subscribe. Just do it. I'm telling you, it's about tired, man. Rotted. Just subscribe. It will be worthwhile. You know. So yes, guys. Zoom in. I'll see you guys like when I'm at the gym or something. So guys, I'm currently at the gym. I'm about to do some cardio on the treadmill. Maybe an hour. Not sure because I have to go to my ear by 4 o'clock and after 3 now I'm early. Maybe half an hour. And then I'm going to go our ears and stuff. So on the treadmill right now. I'm not my thing. What up, guys? I'm done with the gym now. I'm about to remove my belt. If you just look right here, so while I'm wet up. Look. Let me see if you can focus. Basically, my clothes is like super wet. But I want to show you guys my tummy area, what I did. I rubbed on the belly gun and I put on a garbage bag. Let me adjust this, it's too high. So guys, I basically put on my exercising belt, a garbage bag and my belly gun. Guys, the belly gun makes you sweat so much on your belly. I want to show you guys like my body area. So it's, you see that? Wet. Belly I sweat like whoa. So guys, if I really want to see more sweat off your tummy area, you need to get your belly gun and your exercising belt. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like. My tummy. See that? This is what I look like. Sweat, sweat, sweat. So yeah guys, that is what I look like from the side. What helps me is the belly gun and my exercising belt. Now I added a garbage bag to get more sweat and I really see the results. I'm really happy about it. Right now, I need to go to my hair from 4 o'clock. I know at 4:30, so I'm gonna get my hair done and stuff. I don't know if I'm gonna check back in with you guys, but if I don't, you know, I'm big up on the damn self. Be things. So yeah, body. I really like it. But I feel like I put on 5 pounds. I mean, I work off it back also. But I say I'm gonna do a video about body dysmorphia, what that does to you after you were overweight and then you lost a lot of weight. You kind of become a very paranoid. So yeah, later. So guys, I'm finally home. Just got my hair did. This is what it looks like. I'm closing out the vlog right here. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscription button. Guys, I forgot to tell you now. Punky cut out 1 row on my ear side. 1 whole row right there, so missing. Why Punky cut it out? I asked her to cut out the hair that I had in and I don't know what happened. I was so upset I couldn't even get upset. So that's what's happening. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, and definitely show love. See you in the next vlog. Bye.